How to enable install unknown apps on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G or any other latest Samsung device. By default, turn off the all install unknown sources. Install unknown source means if you need to install any APK file or any third party application on your Samsung device, you need to allow that application to allow all permission to access this application on your device. So make sure this feature is enabled. This option is enabled on your device to install the third party application. To enable it, go to settings on your device, scroll down up to security and privacy, tap the security and privacy, again scroll down. Here you can find the option more security settings. In the additional security settings section, tap on it. Now again scroll down. Here you can find the install unknown apps on your device, tap on it. Now you can see by default toggle off it. So whenever you install any APK file or a third party file, that application will ask you to allow permission. So you need to allow this or toggle on this option to install third party apps related to Google Chrome on your device. So if you want to install any application related to gallery, so you need to allow permission. So first of all, you need to download that APK file and follow the step to allow the permission from this source of list. So by default, your phone can only install apps from approved source, so such as Play Store or a Galaxy Store. To help protect you from malicious apps, installing app from other source may put your phone at a risk. So if you want to install apps from the other source, allow those sources in the list below. So depend on the app category you want to install on your device. You need to enable toggle on this option. So make sure backup your important data before allow any third party application or APK file to install the unknown apps. Otherwise you will lost your data also. So make sure confirm it before installing the third party app. That's it. If you like it, share it.